Hi guys, it's Chuchu Labs Manufacturer, and today we're going to talk about how we can earn nearly 100% on shorting certain coins. I think a lot of you guys might know that the project got the special system for the tokens. It's not like if you get allocation in the tokens in any project, then you can just go and sell it while we have a public listing. Usually they got some vesting stuff, kind of unlock things with tokens. So the certain amount of tokens are unlocking the time from time. Like for example, on the TG I can sell for around 20%, and then I can sell for 10% for the next 3 months, and next and next and next and next. So what the mechanics is, what the idea is, this is so simple. We just go into this website called the Token Unlocks. We look for the events while a lot of tokens are being unlocked, and we don't even need to count anything because everything is counted already for us. For example, right here we have 34 millions will unlock in next 14 hours for ape coins. So what are we going to do? This is really simple. We just go and short this ape while this unlocking is going on. So like before 5-10 minutes before this unlock, we just go and short them while a lot of these tokens are going into the market, because 90% of people will sell them right away, and this will affect the price. I think not really hard because their market cap is around 1.4 billion and it's only around 35 unlocking, but I still think on this market, on bear market, it could move them down for like 1-2% still, which is still a really good earnings if you're trading with the leverage. That's pretty much it, guys. So look for the how many money do you have in here unlocks. This is exactly, I think how you can earn, how much you can earn. If this price is big and the capitalization is not, you can try to earn really a lot by shorting them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and see you guys later.